The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is coming with a 6.7-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED display. It's a 120Hz display with a resolution of 1080 by 2640, and it's got a peak brightness of over 2000 nits. The cover display has now increased in size to 3.9 inches, and it comes with more optimization to natively support applications on the cover display. The foldable display is also more durable than the previous model, and this means we get more folds over its lifetime, along with less visible creasing in the center of the display. We get a punch hole camera on the front of the display, and this is a 10 megapixel wide angle camera. And then on the rear panel, we get a 50 megapixel wide angle for the primary camera, along with a 12 megapixel ultra wide. The new frame is made of titanium, and the Z Flip 6 comes in a range of different colors, and it's also the first flip to come with dust and water resistance. The Z Flip 6 comes with a lot of new AI features to improve day-to-day tasks and photography, and it will of course ship with One UI 7 based on Android 15. Now, all versions of the Z Flip 6 are going to be powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 from Qualcomm, and this means that we get better performance and graphics than on the previous model. When it comes to storage and RAM, we get a choice of up to 512GB storage with 8GB of RAM. It's powered by a 3800 mAh battery with wireless and reverse wireless charging, and thanks to a more efficient chipset, the battery life is better than ever. We also get an improved fast charging speed of up to 30 watts. We get plenty of connectivity thanks to 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, ultra-wideband, and we finally get Samsung DeX. Now, the official launch is coming in August 2024, and it's expected to start from $1,050.